You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, everyone. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and I am thankful to be coming to you today because I'm bringing you a new Cricut mystery box, and this one is the Thanksgiving mystery box. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. First off, I want to say we do get a new Cutie in this box. Yay! I know you guys are thankful for that, but we'll go ahead and do him at the end, and I'll let you see our new Cutie. I'm really digging this box. There's so many neat things in it. I don't even know what to start with. So let's start with some sparkle, because you know I love the sparkly stuff. So we're going to get a glitter iron-on sampler here, guys. So this is the sangria sampler. See all the pretty sparkles? So with this, you are going to get the gold, the silver, and the sangria color, which is like a pinkalish. It's a pinkish purple. Pink. I make my words up all the time. Also, some more shiny. We are getting the adhesive foil. This is the glossy metallic in silver. Again, this is something perfect for holiday projects. Add that foil to it. And this is adhesive, so this will stick. Now there's foil transfer sheets, which is a little different, and we will talk about that in a second. With this, you're going to get the 12 by 48 inches also. Here's some pretty colors. So we are going to get the premium vinyl. This is the removable tropical sampler pack. So your pretty rainbow colors, but in tropical form. So you're going to get the pink, the yellow, the green, the blue, the purple, and the teal here. You're going to get 12 by 12 sheet of each one of these. Now to transfer that vinyl, you are going to get a tube of vinyl transfer tape. So this is 12 by 48 inches of the transfer tape for the vinyl. Now, earlier we had the foil adhesive. We're also getting some foil traffler. We're also getting some foil transfer sheets, guys, and this is in the metallic sampler. Pretty. Gonna show you the colors there on the metallic sampler. So you are, okay. So you're gonna get 5 sheets of each of the copper, the silver, and the gold. And now these are transfer sheets, so these are not sticky on their own. You will actually use the foil transferring tool, and then this will put those foil accents that like put them into your card. Super, super pretty for your Christmas greeting cards. Add some of this. It looks gorgeous. Also in there, you will find sheets of this. These are just strips of stickers that you will use to tape down the transfer sheets when you go ahead to do the foil transfer. And everybody's been loving the new glitter gel pens. Love those. So we do have a Fiesta set of the glitter gel pens. So it's like fall colors. So we have a red, a green, a yellow, a brown, and an orange. Perfect Thanksgiving colors. All right, we're gonna get some more vinyl. This is the variety sampler of the removable premium vinyl. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what colors we get in that. It's like holding a really big deck of cards. Here are the colors here, guys. So you are gonna get one 12 by 12 sheet of each of the colors that you see here. And this again is the removable premium vinyl. So you will use that transfer tape that comes in the mystery box to transfer this. Something else we're getting in the mystery box I'm actually really thankful for is white glitter cardstock. Yes, we got black glitter cardstock in the last mystery box, and now we get white. Love the glitter cardstock. This, if you have not used Cricut glitter cardstock, try it. It is not like other cardstocks where the glitter flakes off. The glitter is in this thing. You are not going to get glitter all over the place. This stuff is phenomenal. It goes out of stock a lot. So I was super, super thankful to find this in this Thanksgiving mystery box. So you're actually going to get 10 in here. So you're going to have 10 12 by 12 squares of the glitter white glitter cardstock. And that's everything. No, it's not. It's not everything. I told you guys at the beginning, we got a new Cutie. We have a new, this is the true lime green Cutie, guys. And he is in this mystery box. So because we get our little Cutie, that means this mystery box is access only. So you do have to be Cricut access to purchase. But if you're not access, you can go ahead and sign up below. In the video description are links to sign up for access. Also are the links to go ahead and purchase this mystery box. We greatly appreciate you guys and are thankful for you guys using our affiliate links when you do so. And the price of the box is $59.99. But you guys already know it's not, because you get your access discount. So that there, guys, is everything that's in Cricut's Thanksgiving mystery box. So I'm thankful that you're here with us today. I'm thankful that you watched. Go ahead and give us the like and the subscribe. Comment, let me know if you guys got the box. Because it has a new Cutie in it, they do go pretty quick, so you want to snatch one of those. Plus, this is another one of those good boxes where we're getting a lot of different materials. I love to see those kind of boxes. Links are also below to go ahead and enter our Melody Lane monthly giveaway. And guys, this one's a good one. It's a big one. This is the biggest one that we will do in a month. It is a $500 Cricut giveaway to one winner. So one winner is going to get $500, and then they get to pick whatever they're thankful for from Cricut and create their own happiness in their own package. So it's kind of like a mini shopping spree of Cricut. Not even a mini shopping spree, it's a shopping spree of Cricut. So to enter that, there's 2 steps. First, you'll just comment on this video, enter me in Melody Lane giveaway, and then in the description below the video, it will have a Rafflecopter link that you click on and you enter through there. This giveaway is open till November 27th at 12 a.m. Eastern, so make sure and go ahead and enter that because this is a good one you do not want to miss out on, guys. Thank you very much for joining us. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we hope you guys have a wonderful, grateful, blessed Thanksgiving. Thank you guys for joining me again, and happy crafting, everyone, because that's how it should be. Bye! You know I gotta do the doodles from Alex. Bye, guys! Huge shout out to a few of our Platinum Plus subscribers on our Patreon. Lynn, Angela, Ken, Vivian, Donna, Marlena, Sarah, Linda, Kimberly, Judy, Peggy, Barbie, Ellen, Trish, Jerry, Jean, and Diane. Thank you all.